Okay, class. So for our PBL, we obviously know it is about the presidents, and the main majority of it is basically about how, if you were to be president for the day, what would your rules be? How would you, go about like what you would do as president for the country? So for this, I want to use this buncee website, and it's going to be for one of your projects, and I'm going to walk y'all through how you can make a project. And basically what you're going to do is go to new project, you're going to click on that, and then you can put start from scratch, so you can make it original, make it however you want. So to do that, you can click, if you want to do your background, you can click, it says click here to change background. You will then click there. You can type in a keyword for whatever you want your background to be. You could do a color, you could upload, you could see what's trending, you can see what's recently used, newly added, or even some of these down here. You can scroll through all of these of what you would like to use, but make sure you try to keep it on the same task as we are talking about presidents. So for me, you could look up the word president and press enter, and this brings a photo right here. You could also search up law, and there is some law rooms right here. You then will click on one of the photos and you will click add to this page, or if you want it to be all of your pages, you will click add all pages. But for this one, we're just going to do this page. So once it's on your page, you will then click here to add your first item, which you will click. You can do text, shapes, drawing, all of these of what you want to add. But we're just going to make it super simple, so you can press text. You can drag your text here, and you will double click to edit it. And so for your title, you should put something along the lines as what my rules would be, pardon me, what my rules would be if I were president. So that will be your title. You can go down here and change all the fonts. You can see this font. Oh, excuse me. You need to highlight it first. And then you can go down here and you can change it to this font, or if you don't like that one, you can change it to this font. Just pick whatever you want to do. If you want it to be centered, you can go to more and you can press align center, and it will be centered in the words. Or you can do list, ordered list that way, align to the left, align to the right, all of that. Over here you can also change the text color. Say if I want it blue, it'll turn blue, or pink. We're just going to go ahead and keep it black. You can also change the text size right here, however you want it. You can italicize it if you want. You can underline it if you want. Whatever you want to do. This will be your main title. On the next page, you can go over here, and you'll basically do the same thing. You could do click here to change background. Let's search up president again, and we can see what comes up for that. We can click this picture, again, add to this page. And you will continue doing the same thing. You can just click text, put it in the middle, and you can put rule number one. Number one. And you then will add whatever you want to add. So you can write free pizza for everyone, if that's what you want your rules to be. Now for this project, you need to have at least 5 rules for what you would have if you run your country. But with all of that being said, you can basically just do whatever you want to do, have fun with it, make sure they're reasonable. You need to make sure you title it. You can just put president project, and that will be good enough. Here's an example of kind of how to go about this. My rules if I was president of my country. I put rule number 1, enforcing the law. Rule number 2, everyone gets 1 free slice of pizza the first Friday of every month. Rule number 3, kids will get free ice cream. So this is just something fun. make sure you be creative about it, but also just have fun with it while you're doing it. And yeah, email me if you have any questions.